Hey everyone, Carrie with King Concoctions, back for more cold process soap. Today I am making a soap with Mimosa and Mandarin from Candle Science. It is a very sweet orange citrusy scent and I really do love it. I want a whole bottle of this stuff. I really hope it performs well in cold process soap. Let's add my lye water and get to soaping. First I'm going to split my batch in half. So I have just a pretty orange here mixed in some olive oil and some yellow mixed in some olive oil. I'm going to add my scent first because I want to see if it does anything weird to the soap. One, my yellow to this one, gonna add the remaining mica that's in my cups here to my soap. I don't think the yellow really needs it, but I really kind of want this orange to be a little bit brighter. Getting bright orange seems to be somewhat of a struggle for me. There's no use in letting micas go to waste, right? Okay. Here's my mold. This is the Custom Craft Tools mold. I'm going to turn it on its side here. Hopefully you guys still have that in camera really well. And pour it down the side, starting with the orange. And the yellow. Back to the orange. Orange here in the corner. I'm going to bang it down. And clean up the edges here a little bit. Mimosa and Mandarin soap. I'll see you when it's ready to cut. Okay guys, I am back to cut the Mimosa and Mandarin soap. I love how this design turned out. I love the yellow and the orange. I love how it smells. It definitely mellowed out a little bit, and there was a review on Candle Science's website that says that it did mellow out. So I'm kind of hoping it still retains some of the scent even after it's fully cured. But it's ready to cut, and I'm going to get to cutting them. Should get at least 4 bars out of this. While I'm in the middle of this, let's do the YouTube thing. Hit the like button if you like this video. Maybe subscribe, upload about once a week, and leave me a comment. I'd love to know what you think. These are nice thick bars. That's what the inside looks like. I quite like how these bars turned out, you guys. Actually, I really like how the cut end turned out too. I will try that pouring method in a full set one time in a loaf mold. I've been meaning to, there's so much I want to try, and then I never seem to have enough time, or then I have a very decided, like, I know exactly what I want for a particular scent, and it hasn't been this pour yet, so... And here's the final bar. Try not to touch the cut edges here. Yep, I definitely like the way that design comes out inside. Oops. And here's the little mini leftover one. Little sample. And that's the Mimosa and Mandarin bar. Thank you so much for watching. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. The links are in the description box.